Hey y'all, I'm back with another design for this BamX material, only this time I'm going to use the Tiger BamX. I'm starting off with the 1/2" genie bowl bit from Cadence Manufacturing and Design to make this large pocket. I'm using two different tool paths to run this. The first few passes are running a 40% step over, which although makes the bottom smooth, it does show some tooling marks. For the final pass, I'm running a 10% step over, and it not only makes it smooth, but it also removes the tooling marks, so no sanding is needed. The trade-off is the smaller step over percentage increases the tool path cycle time quite a bit, but if that means no sanding, count me in. It's about the time the pocket tool path was finished, I realized what I had planned to do next probably wouldn't work. I was going to engrave an old saying about the game of Euchre in the bottom of the pocket, and I planned on masking it with aura mask, engraving, then painting with acrylic paint to make it stand out. Then it suddenly hit me, it probably wouldn't be a good idea to use acrylic paint and then coat with food safe mineral oil. I googled it while the pocket tool path was finishing up, and I got some different answers. So I decided to forget about painting the letters and just use the mineral oil to be safe. I used my 60-degree Groovy Genie V-bit to do the engraving, and it did a good job, although I noticed the point was missing from that bit, so I need to get another one. If you need any Genie bits, be sure and use the discount code DAVE10 when you're checking out from Cody's website. Next, I put in the 1/4" downtown genie to make the handle holes in each end of the tray. Then I used my 90-degree Groovy Genie V-bit to put a small chamfer around all the edges just to soften the sharp edges a little bit. I really like the way that looks. Then it was back to the 1/4" downtown genie to run the profile path for this tray. Okay, it's all done. Now to cut the tabs and take it to the router table to put a 1/4" round over on the bottom edge of the tray and the handle holes. After some quick work at the router table, it was time for a good soaking in food safe mineral oil. I'll let it soak in for several hours, then I'll wipe off the excess and it'll be ready for some glamour shots. I said earlier in the video that the smaller step over eliminated the tooling marks. However, once I had the mineral oil finish on and was taking the glamour shots, I could see a few places where I should have done a little sanding. I really like this BamX material, especially the Tiger BamX. I have a link below if you want to try some of this material for yourself. You won't be disappointed. If you would like to make one of these party serving trays, I will have the design file available in SVG format on my website, and there will be a link below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up, as that really helps my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll know when I upload a new video. Until the next one, thank you very much for watching.